you say 7 years old, not 7-year-old, okay? How are you today? How are you today? How are you? Yes, happy. Are you ready for the speaking test, Tim?
Yes.
Yes, okay, let's start with the vocabulary. Tell me, what is this? This is snake. Turtle. Okay, next. This. Bird. Okay, what is that? That is. Can you say that is? Yes. Oh, you can do it. Say the word that is. Is. Yes. Okay, do it again here. What is this? This. Okay, practice this. Okay, not dit. This. Alright, next let's move on. What can you do? I can. Good. Next, what can you do? Very good. Skateboard. Now tell me the beginning sound and the word. Sounds E. Iguana. And next. Letter. Light. Next. Juice. All right, now it's time for you to read. Read this one. Throw. Uh-oh. Okay, just only like this. Throw. All right, next. Okay, good. Next. Fish. Feed the fish where? Where is feed the fish here? Okay, good. Next. All right, very good. What's your favorite animal? I like elephant. Has got small or big ears? Big or small ears? Elephants has got big ears. Okay, say goodbye, John.